What's good with it, y'all? I just pulled up to the everyday Negro layer. You know what I'm saying? I'm in Nashville now, man. So we finna get this work in, man. Today we got a basketball game. Actually, we might have 2 of them. So you know, we might get a bucket or 3, man. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? But you know,
Boy Addy in the cut.
what's going on, y'all? You know, last time y'all see me was at the flea market and I was on my computer working. You know,
Once again,
on my computer working.
you know you.
Hey,
Getting
man. Keep working on
getting that
another
content right, man. You know.
reaction.
Everyday Negroes, man. Y'all subscribe, bro.
It's all it is.
You know you.
What good with? I know my hair looking a mess. My hair little wallets, I don't know what. You know, yeah. You feel me? But it don't matter, man. We finna head to this art store. I had to head to this art store, man, and pick up some supplies. We're doing a lot of fall customs. We got a big drop coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that one. We gonna drop a bunch of shoes, a bunch of clothes, all that good stuff, man. So y'all stay tuned. We finna hit this art store up, get these fall color paints, and you know, yeah.
Young Addy in the cut.
Addy to show them.
You know, just start the morning off right with a little worship.
You know you. What you had last night, bro? Combine. What you think you had?
2 dubs.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No, it was straight. Look at that.
Nah, it was alright. It was just decent. I mean, you probably sitting around. You probably close to 50 combined.
I don't know. We had some new folks on the team, so my main goal is just getting them implemented, oriented, and making them feel welcome, man.
Fat.
Brother Geach made his return, and Brother Jalen made his debut, actually.
Yeah.
Probably one of the top debuts ever made on the team, if you ask me.
True. That is true.
But
He came out fine. On fire. Big old fire. I need to fix my hair. This is unacceptable. I'll be back.
white gray, huh?
Oh, that's a lighter gray, and it's actually, yeah, that's a lighter gray.
So you think this is straight?
I mean, it's okay. It's a good start.
Mix it with some white to make it
Yeah, we definitely gonna have to mix that guy.
and this pink right here, think it's that petal pink? It might be too much.
Yeah, I believe that's hot pink, but like a dash of white in it.
Are you guys in a photography class?
No. We make YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Shadow looks so close to that 10.
It is. They're very, very similar. I think one just has like a hint more red in it. But we getting the colors together right now, y'all. It's not the easiest thing to do because so many different things that we can choose from. It's a large selection. You feel me, brother Addy?
Real big selection, man.
Yeah. So we struggling right now, but we're gonna figure it out.
It's juicy tender. Juicy and tender.
Man, we got the lip paint or whatever, you know what I'm saying? We went on and we decided on all of the colors, all that good kind of stuff. That boy, man, we got all the fall colors you could think of. You feel me? And we gonna have even more. Hold on, focus on camera. Don't do me like that. Focus up. But yeah, all the ones you could ever want, think of. You know, we gonna have some more because we gonna mix some more. Feel me? So y'all stay tuned for it, you know, yeah. It's not good, people. It's the breakfast of the goat. Yes, sir. Breakfast burrito from Sonic. Sassy. Tail thought. Frento steaks. You know, yeah. Let's get the grabby ski.
Boys, we hit the jackpot this time. I explain my space. How I really feel when you get your way. The picture real clear, you don't need 4K. I keep the top seal, they be ready to hate. Don't get your cow peel tryna play with us, man. Gotta keep it real on the way to the bank. Gotta get a feel of that paper, man. You make a killing with the ace of spades. The Santa got me going the major's way. I ain't really tryna go and say today, nigga. I ain't really tryna go and suffocate. I just want my money on pronto. That ain't how I'ma spread through the honchos. She done crossed on the nigga like Rondo. Now they all wanna get a condo. Got them job, baby, you know that's the intro. One car here to coming like my kinfolk. We done buy way longer than the stendo. That ain't how we gon' bow to the end of time. Think first before you crowd that line. Think first before you waste my time. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. Time never slow up, make it work for me. And I bet not blow up, don't play with me. And we going way up, just wait and see. The top getting closer, I can really see. I know you ain't proud of a nigga like me. They tryna look down on a nigga like me. They wanna drop the crown on a nigga like me. I lay it face down on the beat. I tried to tell you, now you gotta see this flow. I tried to tell you, I ain't never need no. I tried to tell you, all I want is family. She know I slid out like a jet ski. She know she can't come and catch me. She claiming that her heart is heavy. I'm claiming that my heart is steady. I took you too far, you weren't ready.
Alright, man, I got the little, not the little, but I got a lot done on this custom order I got. Let me just let y'all see. There you go. Focus up on the camera. Thanks, sir. Got the cartoon work done now. All I gotta do is just add some more detail, and I'm gonna throw lightning and like a little galaxy type of deal, you know, the little halos around the stars and all that good kind of stuff. And that's gonna be it for those. But now we working on the stuff for this drop and just these customs for the next time we post up at the flea market and for the sneaker event. Ooh, the light hit. That's what I'm talking about. But right now we working on these fall colors for these customs. Air Force Ones. We going simple, but like what we want to do, we going for like a factory look, but we want it to be like colors that Nike ain't created and they probably never will. So this is what they looking like at the moment. I know it's a little bright, but this is what they're looking like at the moment. We're gonna throw a bunch of different hues of brown and all that kind of stuff on there, so you gotta stay tuned for that. I'll probably come back when I got a few more coats down and maybe even some more colors, so stay tuned for that. Yeah. Oh snap, chill out. Hold on, let me get it light. Okay, yeah, man. What's good with it, y'all? I almost got them little forces finished, but right now it's about that time we finna start shooting some everyday Negroes content. You know how that go, or if you don't, go ahead and see how it goes. Subscribe. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can check out the other channel that me and my dogs got together, man. But we finna shoot some stuff. Look at this. Look, come on. Look at the setup, y'all. We play no games around here, man. Look at that. Look at this dude here, man. Look at dude. Let me zoom in on that character. Hey, man, don't worry about all that. Look at dude. Come on now. We really liked it. You know, yeah. You know, yeah. But anyway, man, we about to go and shoot some stuff for the Everyday Negro channel. So check that out, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Probably a little later on after this and gonna wrap everything up, you know. Yeah. Okay, y'all. Just getting up. Today is a new day. Kirk Franklin. Dang. It's like 7:30 or something like that, I think. And we about to start on another pair. I actually got done with that chocolate, you know, brown pair yesterday. Around like 2 something in the morning. This is it. I'm gonna shoot some final shots and, you know what I'm saying, get some nice little B-roll and everything. These, but that's how these looking right now. And now we finna knock out another pair. I'm gonna show y'all the colors I'm gonna work with. These are the colors I'm gonna work with on this pair. We got olive, buttercup, I think petal pink, avocado, and playing the same. So man, let's get it. Update on the kicks. Got the green laid down. Now we laying down this playing the sand. Think we can get these done by 5 o'clock, hopefully. Let's see. Man, it's around like 11 right now. Laying down more coats and colors on these for this fall collection and stuff like that. My boy Ad was working on his pair. I'm probably gonna grab that pair in a second because he in some meetings right now, so I might grab that pair in another second. Let have some stuff on there, but that's how we looking as of now. You know, real nice, big, clean, you know. No brush strokes. Of course, you know that finish gonna knock the shine off, but you know, we making good progress for today. Trying to get at least 2 pair done today. Later on, we gonna be going to the mall because we gotta pick up some Vans and possibly some more Forces. Gotta get some Vans. I'm gonna be doing his mom, his aunt, some Tennessee Titan theme kicks. So y'all stay tuned for that one. That might be his own video in itself. But man, we should finna keep on working. I'm keep on showing y'all the behind the scenes of, you know, the custom world, and you know, it's just my life in general. You know, yeah. Here we go.